Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, you are going to learn how to report a problem on Vinted. So first of all, come here either on vinted.com, or you can also follow the same steps inside your Vinted app. Just make sure that you sign in into the right account of yours. Now over here, simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner, then simply select the option of my orders. Now over here, select the option of all, and then you need to select that particular order that you are having a problem with. Afterwards, when you select that order, in the bottom of it, you will automatically see the option of I have an issue or report a problem, depending on the application version that you are using. So you just have to simply select the option of report a problem, then choose the reason for your report, such as an item not received, or item significantly not as described, or damaged item, or any other issue that will be listed over there. So simply add a clear description and upload the photos if they are requested to support your claim. Once you have entered all the details, simply hit the submit button, and Vinted is going to review the case, and it may contact you or the seller before making any decision. So just keep all the communications within the Vinted chat until the issue is resolved. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.